Hi there friends. This guide shows a quick Samsung setting to ensure every call alerts you with vibration while ringing, helping you never miss important incoming calls. Open the phone app menu page, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select settings from the drop-down options. Inside the settings menu, scroll down and tap call alerts and ringtone. This section contains options for managing how your phone notifies you during incoming calls, including sound and vibration behavior. Now, locate the option labeled Vibrate while ringing. Turn on the toggle switch next to it. Once enabled, your phone will vibrate every time it rings, giving you both sound and vibration alerts at the same time. This is especially helpful in noisy places, during meetings, or when your phone is in your pocket or bag. It reduces the chance of missing important calls from family, friends, or work. If you do not see this option, check whether your software is updated to the latest version in the settings menu under Software Update. Keeping this feature active ensures both vibration feedback and ringtone work together for better awareness in any situation. Now your Samsung vibrates on every call, keeping you alert and connected wherever you go anytime.